The fourth device in Samsung's budget-friendly Galaxy M series is here, and it brings an innovative design to the budget segment. The M40 packs in a mid-range Snapdragon 675 processor, coupled with up to 6GB RAM and 128 gigs of storage. It features Samsung's signature Infinity O display with a hole punch cutout in the top left corner for the front camera and a decent triple camera setup on the back. If you're thinking of getting the Galaxy M40 or you've already gone ahead and purchased one, then this video is just for you. Hey guys, this is Abhijit from Guiding Tech, and in this video we'll take a look at some cool tips and tricks for the Galaxy M40 that will help you use the phone to its full potential. So let's get right to it. Kicking things off is a handy little feature called Lift Wake that will help you stay on top of your incoming notifications without even unlocking your device. Turn it on, pull up the Settings app, and then head to the Motions and Gestures settings within the Advanced Features tab. Here, tap on the toggle next to Lift Wake setting and you're good to go. Now if you want to check your notification, all you need to do is lift up the device and the screen will light up automatically. This feature is a great replacement for the always-on display functionality, which you won't find here as the M40 sadly doesn't include an AMOLED display. Now when it comes to unlocking the device, the M40 packs in a fingerprint scanner on the back, and it also supports face unlock. And while both of these methods work flawlessly, they might not seem as fast as some other smartphones in the market. And it's not the hardware that's the issue, it's Samsung's unlock animations. Thankfully, you can easily change that now without even delving into the developer options. Just open the Settings app, go to Advanced Features and tap on the toggle next to Reduce Animation setting. And with just that, your device will start feeling a whole lot faster. While we are in the Advanced Features setting, there's another feature that you should enable if you plan on playing games on your phone. You guessed it. It's the game launcher. Tap on the toggle next to the option to enable it, and the phone will automatically organize all of the games on the device in one place, removing unnecessary clutter from the app drawer in the process. But that's not all. You can also use the game launcher to adjust the performance of individual games, and you can even discover more new games from within the launcher itself. Dual Messenger is another cool feature that you will find within the Advanced Features menu. And as its name suggests, it will let you set up two separate instances of messaging apps, allowing you to use multiple accounts at the same time. To turn it on, tap on the Dual Messenger option and select the messaging app you want to duplicate. Just tap on the toggle, install the duplicate app, and you're good to go. You'll now see two separate icons of the app in your app drawer, and you can set up different accounts in each version. You can also separate their contact lists by tapping on the Use Separate Contacts List toggle within the Dual Messenger settings. Now let's talk a bit about the cameras on the M40. To be absolutely blunt, they are just about average, but Samsung has included a couple of cool features in the camera app to take things up a notch. The one that I personally liked the most is the Scene Optimizer, which can automatically optimize your shots to help you get the best results. You can turn it on by opening up the camera app and tapping on the settings cog in the top toolbar. Within the settings, just tap on the toggle next to the Scene Optimizer option and head back to the viewfinder. Once it's turned on, you'll see a new icon appear in the camera UI. Just tap on that icon and turn on the Scene Optimizer and then follow the prompts to align the best frame. Next up is one of the most anticipated settings of all time, dark mode. Yep, the Galaxy M40 comes with the dark mode by default, and you can easily turn it on right from the notification shade. Just slide it down, tap on the night mode option, and with just that, the entire UI will instantly switch to a darker color scheme. Oh, and if you're facing issues bringing down the notification shade, you should definitely turn on fingerprint gestures. Head over to the Advanced Features settings, select Motions and Gestures, and then turn on the Finger Sensor Gestures option. Now you'll be able to use the fingerprint sensor to easily bring down the notification shade. It's honestly quite handy. Moving on, let's talk about digital well-being. Yes, the M40 is one of the few phones that comes with Google's digital well-being, and you should definitely make use of it to maintain a healthy balance. You can access the feature from within the Settings app and use it to see how much time you are spending on your phone each day and which apps take most of your time and how many times you unlocked your phone. You can even use it to set limits on individual apps and get a good night's rest with the wind down feature. Lastly, there's the auto restart feature that you should use to keep the phone running at its best at all time. I'm sure you would be aware that it's a good practice to restart your phone at least once every week. With the M40, you can automate the process and stop worrying about it at all. To do so, open up the Settings app and head to the General Management. Here, select the Reset option and then turn on the toggle next to the Auto Restart setting. Now tap on the Auto Restart option to configure it as per your requirements, and then you can forget about it. The phone will automatically restart at the selected time and date. Pretty cool, right? Well, that sums it up for today's video on the Galaxy M40. Make sure to drop a like if you liked the video and subscribe to GT if you want us to cover more of such Samsung devices, tips and tricks. This is Abhijit signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next one.